How to remove and reinstall the saddlebags on the Lowrider ST. Open your saddlebags. In here, you will see this handle. Let's move in for a closer look. You will see this handle. We have green locked, red unlocked. Pull this handle out and then turn it all the way to the left. You'll see this little red flag pop up there. Close your saddlebag. Latch it. Firmly grab your saddlebag. Pull it to the rear of the motorcycle and pull it towards you. Just like that. Now for reinstallation. You want to make sure you get the notches on the back, which are there and there. You want to make sure they go down onto this groove, and this front fork here goes down onto the bracket that is down by your muffler. Alright, so you can see the bracket down here, and you can see the two lugs up here. And that's where the little horseshoe bracket goes, and the two lugs go on right there. Line up the horseshoe bracket on the bottom. Line up both bag mounts. And you want to make sure you push this all the way forward. A lot of guys only push in halfway, and then they close the latch, and then they lose their bag on the side of the road. Nobody wants that. So put it on there, push it forward until it goes clunk. Again, make sure your horseshoe bracket's in place. Then you can open up your bag. So look down in here, verify that this chrome part right here is inside this rubber bushing. If it's slightly out, it's not going to latch. Now for reinstallation, pull this lever out. It should still already be out, but pull out on anyways. Turn it all the way forward, and it should snap in, and this little arm should line up with the green. And we're not done yet. Close your bag. Latch it. Make a visual inspection down here, a visual inspection behind. Then for the for sure 100% test that guarantees your motorcycle saddlebag will not end up on the side of the road, grab the saddlebag, pull on it. Nice and solid. It's not going anywhere. As long as you do that, your saddlebags will stay attached to your motorcycle. That's all I got.